Hello and welcome. Harness Chaos Engineering is a module on the Harness platform, using which you can do efficient resilience testing. Developers, QA teams, performance test teams, and site reliability engineers use Harness Chaos Engineering to do resilience testing of the systems. Resilience testing results in the discovery of weaknesses of the systems and potential risks to the business. Resilience testing is done by running chaos experiments. A harness chaos experiment injects faults in a controlled manner and measures the resilience of the system by checking the expected state using resilience probes. It provides a resilience score between 0 and 100, indicating how resilient the target system is against injected failures. Apart from the resilience scores, Harness also offers resilience test coverage. This combination is often referred to as resilience posture, which is an actionable intelligence in the business to improve the overall reliability of the services. Harness offers all the required capabilities to do end-to-end resilience testing, provides 200+ out-of-the-box chaos faults in its Enterprise Chaos Hub, covering various cloud platforms, Linux systems, Windows systems, Kubernetes, PCF, and application runtime environments such as JVM. Provides resilience probes to automate the measurement of resilience scores using integrations with various target systems such as Kubernetes, Prometheus, Dynatrace, Datadog, New Relic, Splunk, and other cloud providers' monitoring services. Offers ChaosGuard for governance around chaos experiment orchestration. You can control who can do what type of chaos experiments on what systems during which time periods. Offers out-of-the-box GameDay portal to assist site reliability engineers to run game days in production environments. Comes with an AI reliability agent that provides recommendations around creation of new chaos experiments, running of existing experiments, and how to fix resilience probe failures. Once the chaos experiments are created and are optionally organized into your own chaos hubs, you can use them for various use cases. Some use cases are: you can add chaos experiments into deployment pipelines, such as Harness CD, GitHub Actions, Jenkins, GitLab, etc. You can run them along with load testing tools such as LoadRunner, Gatling, Locust, JMeter, etc. You can use them in the game days using Harness GameDay portal. You can also use these experiments for doing DR testing. Onboarding and scaling with Harness Chaos Engineering is easy. Some useful features that make the solution highly scalable are: centralized chaos execution plane, also known as agentless chaos, templates support, Terraform support, and custom chaos hubs. Apart from the SaaS mode, Harness Chaos Engineering is available in the on-premise mode for fully air-gapped environments. The SaaS version also offers a free plan that comes with all the capabilities of the product, including AI, that get you started with resilience testing.